Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today I will talk about the Phonesites Lifetime deal and I will show how to get Phonesites Lifetime access. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon notification. So let's get started. If you're looking for a way to launch high-converting sales funnels, build landing pages, and create digital, contactless business cards right from your phone, then you need to check out Phonesites. With Phonesites, you can quickly and easily create professional-looking sales funnels, landing pages, and business cards that will help you take your business to the next level. Introducing Phonesites. What is Phonesites? Phonesites is the best landing page creation software. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to build mobile-optimized sales page funnels, Phonesites is the perfect solution. The app saves you a ton of time and money. Have you tried creating your sales funnels, high-converting landing page, and digital business card? With no required tech skills or prior experience, you can have a fully functioning funnel up and running in just minutes. Plus, automated SMS and email follow-ups make it easy to keep your prospects engaged. Alternative to Upflowy, Instapage, and Unbounce. Build high-converting landing pages. Creating a high-converting landing page is now easier than ever with the help of easy-to-use tools and platforms. Landing pages are a key part of any web or e-commerce strategy and can be a major source of traffic for your business. Many different landing pages are available online, but some are more difficult to create than others. With the help of easy-to-use tools, however, you can easily create high-converting landing pages in minutes, including 500+ mobile responsive templates, no-code, drag-and-drop builder, easiest landing page software on the market, Phonesites powerful features and grow your business, proprietary mobile builder. If you're looking for a fast and easy way to create a mobile-friendly website, Phonesites is the perfect solution. You can create pages from your phone or desktop in just a few minutes, and our proprietary mobile builder ensures that your site will look great on any device. Plus, our easy-to-use tools make it simple to collect leads and market your business on the go. Drag and drop builder. The Phonesites editor is a simple and easy way to create and edit documents on your computer. You can use Google Docs or Microsoft Word. Mobile-first platform. Our editor is designed to work seamlessly on all devices, so you can create and edit your content from anywhere. Plus, we give you freedom to customize your content to fit your specific needs. Pre-made websites, access to 500+ pre-built, high-converting templates. One-click customization, modify everything from the background to the color of your pages with a simple click. Embed videos and GIFs, easily add videos from YouTube and Vimeo and convert more leads into sales. Pop-up widget, add pop-up widgets to your website to collect leads from potential customers. Surveys and quizzes, create multi-step surveys that collect data and convert like crazy. Lead generation pages, build simple pages to collect customer information. Accept payments, simply integrate with Stripe and make any page a checkout page. Why Phonesites use? Lead management is easy with automation and tracking tools. Collect leads, track their progress, and automatically follow up with them to keep them moving forward. The built-in email system to send email sequences. Easy to understand analytics and reporting. Optimize conversions and close more deals. Automated emails, write follow-ups and schedule them to send automatically when someone submits a form. Lead notifications. Whenever a new lead comes in, Phonesites will send a notification to indicate that a new prospect has shown interest. Sync leads, integrated with any CRM, email software, Google Sheets, and more. In-depth reporting, get the insights and data you need without the tech overwhelm. Phonesites powerful analytics and reporting tools make it easy to get the information you need to make informed decisions. World-class support. Collaborate on files in real time to avoid the inefficient back and forth of drafts. Get feedback instantly to streamline your workflow. 1. Have one single source of truth for all designs. This means that you only receive updates on comments and status updates from the designer who created your ad. This will save you time and energy, which can be used to produce more ads that are more effective and relevant. 2. Get notified about comments and status updates from the designer who created your ad. This will ensure that you always have an idea of what is happening with your ad and can make necessary changes quickly. 3. Use this information to create more effective and relevant ads. Having one source of truth for all designs can ensure that your ads are at the top of their game and reach a wider audience. 1,000+ favorite tools integration. Integrate with 1,000 of your favorite tools to make work easier and more flexible. You can easily connect and automate your workflow with native integrations, webhooks, and Zapier. Plus, these tools make working with your data rocks. Keep everything organized and secure in one place. The Phonesites overall overview. Phonesites helps you launch sales funnels, build landing pages, and create digital, contactless business cards right from your phone. Phonesites cuts out the digital marketing middleman so you're able to start generating leads and converting them into paying customers. Just tap your Pulse card to pull up your digital business card and instantly share your contact info, links, socials, or even accept payments via Stripe. And with an intuitive, mobile-first platform, you can also build high-converting landing pages or even an entire sales funnel to expand your pipeline. With the mobile-first web builder, you can design responsive web pages right from your phone or laptop. Start from scratch or choose from nearly 500 professionally designed templates to create digital business cards, sales pages, and survey funnels. You can also build pop-up forms or widgets triggered by CTA buttons and easily embed them on any website. Best of all, you're able to go live right away with a free or custom domain with free unlimited hosting. Phonesites is also fitted with AI copywriting superpowers, so you're able to churn out all your copy in record time. Just type out a basic elevator pitch for your product or service and let the AI writer assistant generate engaging copy in seconds. In a few clicks, you'll have high-converting copy formatted for any project, including short-form ads, headlines, product descriptions, blogs, and listicles. With analytics and lead notifications for all your landing pages, Phonesites lets you know exactly how your ads are performing in real time. Phonesites also lets you schedule automated email and text follow-ups, so you'll never let a lead slip through the cracks. You have the option to manage follow-ups with Phonesites or integrate with your favorite marketing platforms, like MailChimp, Twilio, or Weber. You shouldn't need to be chained to your desk and a pot of coffee just to track your sales funnel. Launch your entire sales funnel, including AI-generated ad copy and digital business cards, straight from your phone with Phonesites. So why are you late? Get lifetime access to Phonesites today. Phonesites plans and features. Lifetime access to Phonesites. All future essential plan updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 4 license tiers. Available for new Phonesites users and returning Appsumo purchasers. Previous Appsumo customers who purchased Phonesites can upgrade their license to increase their feature limits. Previous Phonesites Tier 3 customers are eligible to receive the Pulse Card, buttons offering at no additional cost. Pulse Cards, buttons are requested and distributed directly through Phonesites. Once requested, there are no returns. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Phonesites features included in all plans. Unlimited traffic, pages, and emails. Free subdomains. Attach custom domains. Group coaching. Dynamic cards. Phonesites offers 3 pricing plans in the Appsumo marketplace. Pricing number 1. Single plans. One-time purchase of $79. All features above included. 3 websites. Pricing number 2. Double plans. One-time purchase of $149. All features above included. 10 websites. Unlimited AI writer credits. Pricing number 3. Multiple plans. One-time purchase of $299. All features above included. Unlimited websites. Unlimited AI writer credits. 3 total Pulse Card button products. So why are you late? Get Phonesites lifetime access today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.